Want to improve your photos without learning complicated editing software? Canva includes powerful photo editing tools that let you enhance images, apply effects, remove distractions, and create professional-looking results in just a few clicks. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to edit photos in Canva in 2026. First, sign in to Canva and create a new design or open an existing project. Then upload the photo you want to edit using the Uploads section. Once your image is uploaded, drag it onto the canvas and click on it to reveal the editing options available at the top of the screen. Click Edit Photo and start with the basic adjustments. You can change brightness, contrast, saturation, warmth, and other settings to improve the overall look of your image. Small adjustments often produce the best results. Next, explore Canva's filters and photo effects. These can quickly change the style and mood of your image while helping it match your design. If needed, crop the image to remove unwanted areas or improve the composition. You can also resize and reposition the photo within your design. When you're happy with the final result, click Download and choose your preferred file format. PNG is great for high-quality images, while JPG may help keep file sizes smaller. And that's how to edit photos in Canva. With just a few adjustments and effects, you can transform ordinary images into polished visuals for social media, websites, presentations, and more. So yeah, experiment with the tools and discover the editing style that works best for you. Thanks for watching.